So we're going back to Maryland now. Danger. Let's stay off rails. Wow. Naririnig yun na? Naririnig ko. Wow! So yung kabilang side na yan, that's Maryland, and the other side is Virginia. So ito yung source ng transportation dati back in 1920s ng mga European by bangka, by boat. Aanit lang sila dyan hanggang dun pababa, hanggang dun yan, hanggang papuntang Washington DC, hanggang city. Kasi that time hindi pa naman also yung mga buses, yung mga over. So ito na yung ginagamit nila as there's mode of transportation by boat. They still rely on the river in important ways. Most of the people in the Washington DC area depend on the Potomac River. Potomac River to.
Yeah.
As a source of their drinking water. Millions more see the river as a place to recreate, a place to escape from busy lives. So what is your relationship to the river?
So it's a couple
This
more,
is high.
a little further down the trail.
This one. Diyan yung mark nung unang nagbaha, din pangalawa 1996, 1937, 1972. Pinaka high water marks yan 1942 and 1936. That's Visitor Center. Yeah, so that is wood wall panel, diba? So yung pag-install nila, ano yan eh, TNG, diba? Yan o, TNG, kaya hindi yan naglilik sa gilid. Yan. See? The downspout. Look at the downspout. This is wood mismo. Open yan o. Diba? So yun, now you know na yung indigenous materials like wood ay pwedeng gamitin sidings. Actually, noong unang panahon pa naman talaga, yung mga indigenous materials ay ginagamit dyan as walling, di ba? So yun, yan na nga yung Great Falls and Virginia. Pero actually, I've been in Niagara Falls also at the side. Nakita ko rin yung Great Falls doon ng US and Canada. So separate din. Ito, kabila ay Maryland at itong side na to. Yung kinatatayuan natin ay Virginia. So, nagsiseparate siya sa falls. Same in Toronto. Nung pumunta kami ng Toronto, yung kabilang side ay US at saka yung side na tinatayuan namin, that's Toronto. Isa rin yun sa pinagmamalaki ng United States na Great Falls. So, yun. That's end for my video and I hope na gusto nyo yung video ito. Please give me a like and comment down below kung may katanungan at sisikapin kong sagutin. Again, I'm Caspar Roofing, and remember, life is too short, the world is wide, so let's explore it because we are all under one roof.